Hi everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I am participating on a hop, edible gift ideas hop that is hosted by my good friend Carolina from Carolina's Creations Handmade. The other gals who are participating on this hop are Amber from Lyric Lover 810 and also Tamika from Scrap the World. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be creating a couple or maybe even 3 edible gift ideas, and this is the holiday edition gift ideas. And also some information on how you can win a $40 gift card or gift certificate that is also sponsored by Carolina from Carolina's Creations Handmade. So after you watch this video, hop on to the other ladies' channels and watch their videos. I actually bought this jar years ago. Originally it was $1.50 from the $1.50 section of Michael's. They were having a clearance sale, and this was part of their Christmas clearance sale, and I got this for 90% off, which means that I only paid 15 cents for each. But even at $1.50, the price is an amazing deal for this jar. And I just want to show you the tag, because if you're going to buy something for packaging or giving gifts that are edible, make sure that they are food safe. So this one is in the kitchen, and it does say that it is also food safe. So just want to make sure that you choose the ones that are only food safe. So they came in 3 different colors, and as you know, these are the colors also that you can see during the holiday or winter season. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna be repackaging sweets or candies. So for those of you who do not know how to bake, this is a good gift idea for you, especially if you're in a hurry or you don't really have time to bake. This is something that you can do or make. So there are some candies here that I'm going to show you, like for example this crepe or Belgian chocolates that you can get, and you can get a lot of them inside. I think my family has already devoured a lot of them. So all you need to do is kind of like repackage them in containers like this. There are also like this one. These are Kisses candies. You can either just pack them up here, and we also have a lot of this. These are the Wafer Chocolates, that the candy melts. They sell them at Michael's also. For a pack you can get it for like $2.25 or $2.50, and you can use your 40% off to also economize, and you can get different colors as well. So this is something that you can make simply and inexpensively if you want to give something that is edible. Since these are the meltable candies, what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt some of them, and then I'm going to dip this crepe to this candy melts, and then just dip the tip and then just sprinkle. You can buy different colored sprinkles also at Michael's, but you can get them also at Walmart inexpensively. Winco sells them as well. This is the Walmart Great Value brand. So you can also dip other candies, just so you know, not just that one. So I place some of the candy melts. I place a few of them here in this microwavable container, and I got this at the Dollar Tree actually for I think 4 or 5 in a pack. It's Betty Crocker, and what I like about this one is if I have any leftovers, I can just cover it and place the lid on top and then store it away for another time. Okay, I'm lining a plate with parchment paper. So here's my wafer or candy melt. So all you have to do is incremental 15 seconds, and then let it cool for like 10 seconds, and then another 15 seconds, and that's where you're gonna get a perfect melt. Okay, but you gotta act quickly, especially when it's cold. It hardens again. Okay, So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna be dipping this wafers or these crepes. And by the way, this is actually common sense, but of course I know there are some folks there, they may comment. I have clean hands, I wash my hands, and if you want to wear food servers gloves, you can do that. Just make sure you don't have any open wounds, nothing dirty, and just make sure you wash thoroughly. So anyway, I do have sprinkles here. I think I'm gonna choose the one that has a lot of color so that the kids will love them. So I'm just gonna dip the end like here. And I am just gonna make sure that while it's still wet, okay, that's when you put the sprinkles. That's it. Okay, see that? So you sprinkle it and then let it, and then you put it here and then let it dry. So make several of those, and what I'm going to plan to do is put them here and then package it. That's it. There you go. So you can use food safe wrappers. They sell also at Michael's. I think they come 20 pieces or maybe 25 pieces in a bag. Okay, so as you could see here, I was able to fit 5 in this cello bag. I was able to fit in at least 4 here. And then just seal it. And then what I'm gonna do is create a label here, put a bow, and then that's a gift. Okay. Now another idea is the candy wafers themselves can be gifts because they're actually chocolate. Okay, what's better than giving the candy wafers that either they can melt or just chew on? If you want to mix multiple colors, you can do that. But you know, if you want to use just one solid color, that's fine also. Doing with this ones here, I'm just going to be adding this red twine. Just want to cut this. And then maybe another one. And just put, I'll just arrange it where there's enough to fold, and then you can give. And then just tie the twine around it. And then double. If you want to create a bow, that's fine, but I'm just gonna double knot this like so. Okay. And then I'm gonna add a tag on this, but I can also add this festive ribbon, maybe this and a green one here, or I can put the red because the candy is already green. Might as well put red. Okay. And that's that. And then just put a label. I'd say this one that has multicolor in it. So I got these adhesive labels from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using the one with the red borders so that I can label the jars. And I'm just going to handwrite this, nothing fancy, just keep it simple. But if you want to do a printout, you can do that too. I am just going to be writing Happy Holidays, and I'm going to trim this tag to size because this is a bit larger than the glass where I'm going to be adhering it to. And I'm just going to be showing you how I'm going to be decorating or embellishing the other jars here. Aside from the adhesive labels or stickers, I'm also going to be using these gift tags so that the jars or the packaging will be a little bit more festive and more in the holiday theme. So I'm going to be choosing the snowman. I'm going to use a hole puncher so that I can hang it from a string. This one, I'm just going to show you that even a simple small bow can make a big difference. But before that, as you could see there is a jingle bell. There is that bell in green color that I also got at Dollar Tree, and I think they come 50 in a pack for $1. So I just tied it with that baker's twine, and then I hot glued this simple glittered bow that I also got at Dollar Tree just to give it a little bit of a more festive look so that that adhesive label doesn't look too plain. So I like this green and red combination a lot. And I also did something similar. I added a gift tag, tied it with the red and white twine to this candy or crepe that I dipped in candy melts and wrapped or packaged in a cello bag. And I got this ribbon that is red, green, and white that I have on stash. So I just cut probably 7 inches long, and I'm just going to tie a knot just to tie the cello bag with, and then I'm going to be attaching a bow, one of the glittered bows again that I got at the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to be sticking a gift tag here again to embellish it. And here they are. I'm loving how cute they look like. Even the one with the jingle bell is so cute, so adorable. And I only used Hershey's Kisses there. And the others are, you know, either the ones that I dipped. And it's just an idea for you. You can repackage things and make them beautiful. Put them in a food safe container. Now if you want to bake from scratch or make something from scratch, that's fine too. But for those who are busy and have your hands full, you can create something like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share to anyone who may be interested in this type of project. These are great gifts or stocking stuffers. If you are interested in learning more edible gift ideas, please hop on to the other channels who are participating in this hop. And also don't forget to enter the giveaway. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and have a great day, everyone. Talk to you again on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.